Everyone, today I am going to solve the chapter 7 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like PowerPoint part, SS part, or Word part, or if you want me to do your Pearson course, Cengage course, Simnet course, or if you want me to do your maths work, stats work, finance work, accounting work, QuickBook work, nursing work, psychology works, you can contact me. If you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grades in your complete entire course, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel. Now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is YO22 Excel chapter 6 assessment video game sales. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am starting from the first step. So by following these steps, you can complete your work. In our first step, what is he asking? Start Excel, download and open the file name. Excel chapter 6 assessment video game sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So our first step involved the downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and opening of that one file. I have already downloaded that one file. I will just make that one enable edit. So I will start from the second step. Now in our second step, what is he asking? The data on the video game sales worksheet includes sales in million for the several video games on the various platform and from the various genre. On the video game sales worksheet, insert a table with the header using the data. So we will go to the video game sales worksheet. That's our video game sales worksheet. We will insert a table for this data. We will just click any in the cell within the data and go to the insert tab and select the table. And you should be careful while selecting the range. Drag that one downside so you will be make sure that all the range is selected and your my table has a header checkbox is also selected and press OK. So table is inserted for the range, that one range. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? Apply the light blue table style medium 27 to the table selected including the header. So we will select the go to the table design, and which one he is asking for the medium 27 style. That's our medium style. That's our light blue table style medium 27. We will apply that one to our required table. That's our table. And create a sales name database range name to the data used in the function later. So we will copy that one and go to the formula tab, and here in the define name you will select define name and select here as a sales database and press OK. So we have assigned a range name to our table that is name as a sales database. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? Add a total row to the table to have the sales value in the North America, Europe, Japan, other and global sales column summed. So we will go to the table design and here we will select the total row. And what is he asking? To sum the global sales, we will use the sum. For others also we will use the sum. For Japan also we will use the sum. For Europe also we will use the sum, and for North America we will use also the sum function. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Slicer are as an easy way to explode in the data table. Insert a slicer for platform year and genre. So we will go to the upside. We need to go to the insert tab and we will select the slicer and we will select year, genre and platform. These three we need platform, year and genre. We will select these three slicer and plus OK. So our three slicer are inserted in our worksheet. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? Move the platform slicer so that its top left corner is just inside the K1. Modify its layout property so it has 3 columns and resize the slicer so the all options are visible and extra white space is minimal. So we will move to the platform January 2. We will select that one, platform January, and move to the K1 and select that one and change the columns to 3. Here we will change that one to 3 and reduce the downside extra space. So there is minimum extra space. And what next he is asking to do? Apply white slicer style other two to the slicer. So we will go to the slicer style. That's our slicer. We will select white slicer styles other two. That's our style. We will apply that one to our slicer. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? Move the January slicer so the upper left corner is in the cell N1 and modify its layout property so it has 2 columns, and resize the slicer so all the options are visible and extra white space is minimal. Apply the white slicer style other two to the slicer. So we will select the generic this one and paste it in the cell N1. That's our cell N1, and change its column to 2. Here type 2 and press enter and remove the extra space. That's our step number. And what is last thing he is asking? Apply the white slicer style other two. So we will select white slicer style other two, that one. That's now applied. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? Move the year slicer so the top left corner is in the cell K13. Modify its layout so it has 3 columns, and resize the slicer so that all the options are visible and extra space is minimal. So we will select the year slicer and paste it in the cell K13. That's our cell K13. We have inserted that one in that one, and change the what next he is asking to do. Change the columns to 3. We will change it here the columns as a 3 and press enter. So 3 columns are inserted, and remove the minimum extra space, white space, and change its style to white slicer style other two. That's applied to our year slicer. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Using the slicers filter to the table only show the record where the platform is PS3 and DS. So for first one slicer we will select PS3 and DS. That's our PS. We will select PS3 and press enter and select DS. These two are now selected, PS3 and DS. And genre is either adventure or action. So we will select only action, the action genre. And what next he is asking to do? Select the filter data including the column heading and the total array and paste the data on the selected data worksheet starting in the cell A1. So we will copy that one and paste it in the cell A1. We will select from the A1 including the column heading and total column, and select paste it in the A1 of the selected data. That's our step 1. And resize the column width so it's all will be visible. And what next he is asking to do? That's our step number 9. In our step number 10, what is he asking? Clear the filter applied to the video game sales data. So we will go to the video game sales data. That's our video game sales data. We will close the filters. So select that one, remove filter, and for that one remove filters. So our data is now removed, filter is now removed. That's our step. Copy the heading and paste on the database worksheet starting in the A1 to begin setup and create database function. Further analyze the data. So we will select copy A1 to, that's our step, and go to the database tool and paste it in the cell A1 and resize that one column so data is visible. That's our step number. If necessary, adjust the column width so that all data is visible. That's our step number 10. We have total 20 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get any grades in your courses, or if you want me to do your complete course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, QuickBook, math, stats, finance and accounting, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get any video updates. Thank you.